Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the 2023 Hyundai Elantra, a compact sedan that has been turning heads with its bold design, impressive technology, and overall value. If you're in the market for a reliable and stylish vehicle, stick around as we explore everything this car has to offer. Let's kick things off with the exterior. The 2023 Elantra features a striking design that sets it apart from the competition. Its sharp lines and aggressive front grille give it a sporty appearance, while the sloping roofline adds a touch of sophistication. Available in a range of vibrant colors, this car is sure to stand out on the road. Moving on to the interior, Hyundai has made significant improvements to the cabin of the Elantra. The layout is modern and user-friendly, with high-quality materials throughout. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates both front and rear passengers. The seats are supportive technology. The 2023 Elantra comes equipped with a user-friendly system, which includes an 8-inch touchscreen display that offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. The system is intuitive and responsive, making it easy to navigate through your favorite apps and features. Higher trims come with additional upgrades, like a 10.25-inch display and a premium audio system, enhancing your driving experience even further. Under the hood, the Elantra offers a range of engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that delivers a solid performance and excellent fuel efficiency. For those looking for a bit more power, the available turbocharged 1.6-liter engine on the N-line trim provides a sporty feel and agile handling. Overall, the Elantra strikes a good balance between comfort and performance. Safety is another area where the Elantra shines. It comes standard with many advanced safety features, including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and a comprehensive airbag system. Higher trims offer additional safety technologies, such as adaptive cruise control and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Now let's discuss pricing. The 2023 Hyundai Elantra delivers impressive value for money, starting at a competitive price point. Even with the higher trims loaded with features, it remains more affordable compared to some competitors in the compact sedan segment. To sum it up, the 2023 Hyundai Elantra is a well-rounded compact car that offers a stylish design, a comfortable and tech-savvy interior, efficient performance, and a strong emphasis on safety. Whether you're a daily commuter or someone who enjoys weekend getaways, the Elantra has something for everyone. That wraps up our review of the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. If you love what you see, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Elantra, and if there's another car you'd like us to review next. Thanks for watching,